The artificial intelligence industry is witnessing an intensifying competition between two fundamentally different approaches to model development and distribution. Recent developments, including DeepSeek's latest open source release and Google's rollout of proprietary Gemini 3 system, underscores the strategic divergence that is shaping the future of AI. Let's first try and understand the open source approach. The open source AI models have gained significant traction throughout 2025. Now, the appeal is straightforward. Developers can freely access, modify, and build upon these models without really licensing costs. The accessibility has driven rapid adoption, with open source foundations now underpinning a growing share of new AI startup ventures. The key players in the open source ecosystem include Meta Platforms, DeepSeek, Alibaba, and models from Baidu, Minimax, and Moonshot AI. Also, the Allen Institute for AI's Almo 3 and NVIDIA's Nemotron represent additional efforts emphasizing transparency and architectural openness. The company recently reduced its API pricing by over 60%, reflecting these efficiency improvements and potentially accelerating developer adoption. Now, let's compare this to the proprietary model. Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic continue leading the proprietary AI segment. These companies maintain closed systems, monetizing access through APIs and integrated products. Google's Gemini 3, OpenAI's GPT-5, and Anthropic's Cloud family represent the current frontier of the proprietary capabilities. The proprietary approach offers certain advantages, which is tighter quality control, integrated safety measures, and clearer accountability. The companies can also capture more value directly from their research investments. Google's strong stock performance this year, that is up 68%, reflects investor confidence in its ability to integrate AI across search, cloud computing, advertising, YouTube, and other products. This illustrates how proprietary models can serve as a competitive moat within broader business ecosystems. Next, let's try and understand the market implications for all this. The tension between these approaches carries significant implications for the infrastructure investment. Cloud hyperscalers including Amazon, Microsoft, and Google have committed tens of billions to AI data center expansion. The open source efficiency advances raise ongoing questions about the optimal spending levels and the return on investment. For developers and enterprises, the choice between the open source and the proprietary model involves trade-offs between cost, customizability, support, and integration requirements.